The name is Anti-Cancer Agent Development and Validation Workshop, which has been in existence for many years. Anti-cancer agent just refers to drugs being developed to treat cancer or to work against cancer, if you will. That's the reason for the anti-cancer agent name. The end product of this is really to develop better drugs and to bring good drugs more quickly to patients living with cancer. And so this workshop is really aimed at looking at successful examples of past drug development and saying, what can we learn from this development program? What was done correctly? How could we model that in our own development program? It's also meant to look at mistakes that we see commonly made and discuss those in a way that's de-identified. The FDA is in a unique position of being able to see a lot of mistakes, frankly, that are made by others, and frequently no one gets the opportunity to learn from those mistakes except for the company that's involved in making the mistake, or in some cases the team and the individual company that's involved in making the mistake. So what our FDA staff have done is say, we're going to compile these examples, de-identify them to maintain confidentiality, and then say, what's the learning opportunity here? What's the message that we can impart to future drug developers so that the same mistakes don't get made again?